Hey guys, so here we are on OpenShot right here. So what we're gonna do, we are on OpenShot here. So come on to that plus sign here. Then we're just gonna click it, that one there, and then it's gonna open up all your on your desktop, the stuff you have already saved on the desktop there. Then you're gonna go down to your downloads right down here. There's on the download, then you're gonna click that, and once you click the download, then you're gonna see all the stuff you already downloaded on your desktop, and then you're gonna put that whole sound there, then you're gonna put it right there, and then you're gonna put more of the stuff you want onto that plus sign there and there. All right, once you do that again, then you're gonna import more of those stuff that you have on your desktop. So you're gonna click that one again. Maybe you can just look for the one that you already want, because it's gonna differ out which one you want exactly. Then you're just gonna go there, click that one, then you're gonna click more of those that you want. You're gonna click, and then keep on uploading all of those ones you want. Keep on uploading, but it's gonna differ on which ones you want, because you are the one who knows the kind of video you want to make. Then you're gonna keep on clicking, and you're probably able to just click everything at the same time. But this one, because they're all scattered, they're not at the same place, so you have to look around, and that's my bad for me. I couldn't put them at the same, because I download a lot of stuff that I want to make more videos and all of that stuff. So, but this one is gonna at least show you how you can be able to put them in one place. So look at this one here, then you look at them all, and then you put them together like that, and then you keep on uploading, and then you can see if you already put them all, the ones you want. Then you're gonna start dragging the ones you want. That the audio, the last one is the first one. Sorry, the first one is the audio. Put it down there, and you must make sure that the cursor is there, so it lines up with the first at the starting point right there. Then you can check how long your video is gonna last. It's about 2 minutes 30 seconds right there. And then you can go back at the beginning, then you can load more of those videos. So we're gonna start with that model right there. Then you have to make sure it started at the start right there, and then you can load more of those stuff, and like that one. So you must make sure they line up together, one next to the other, like that. Then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna look at which one we're gonna put next. Which one? Yeah, I'm gonna put this one right there next to the other. Then we check, okay, how much space do we have? So gonna put the disco one right there, because I don't want to put a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna repeat this one, repeat it just to fill up the audio like that. So and the other thing you must look at is when you have something you don't like and you want to remove it, you're just gonna come into it and you right click it like that, then this is gonna pop up and then you just remove it like that. Just click on the remove, then you can push the other stuff next together again, just like that. And then you can just line up all the stuff you want until you can put them right at the back of your audio, because the audio you have to fill it with whatever you want, because you don't want it to be just blank, because once all the stuff you put in on top of your audio, the end is going to. So let's just preview it and see how it's like. But my screen is a little bit smaller. I think I can show you how you can set it up much better, but it's not important for now. At least I'm sure you can see it, but it's not gonna play nice now because it's not exported. So let's just see and finish it first, and then we can see what more we can do. Alright, so we're gonna see and then see at the end there if what we can do to make sure this is the way we want it. So we're gonna have to see. Okay, the other thing we have to see is if you want to split the thing family together and you want to delete another thing or this side or whatever, so you're gonna come here and then you right click on here, you right click it, and then you're gonna show you those, then you can see if you can keep both sides, keep the left side or keep the right side. And we can just keep the both sides like that, and then you can see if which one you want to remove from your video. You want this side or you can keep this side. So want to remove this side, I'm gonna right click it, then we gonna come here and see the remove sign, and then we remove it like that there. Okay, and now remove it. Yeah, it's just taking a bit longer, but you can just go there and right click it. You leave an undo button right there, then you can see if it was removed, and then you just come back to it, so because I didn't want to remove all of it, so I'm sure you get the point. If you want to remove the part, then we can come back and then finish our video and see what else more we can put in. We can put more of that just so we can fill up the whole space, because we want it to play like that until at the end of our video. Then so you just put it like that. I overlap it by choice because I just want it to be like that. But if you want to remove it, you can remove it, or you can just edit, because I would like to edit more of it, so that it can be, my audio can leave something playing before, my audio can add before, and then it can keep on playing my visuals right now. So you can just export it like that. Just hit export, then you can name your file what you want it to be. So I'm just gonna keep it as simple as possible. Just gonna put it in number, just gonna hashtag it and number 6. Yeah, and then I'm gonna choose where I'm gonna save my file. I'm gonna browse it and put it on videos. and then I'm gonna select this one, and then I'm gonna come right here on the formats of all the videos I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in the profile, then on the profile I'm gonna put it right. You must leave it on all formats. I know, don't want to put on CVs or device or whatever, unless you want it to be on that device you want, or CD or DVD, So then you come on to the target. It's right on an MP4 right there, and then on a video profile you put that one right there. It's the same as on 1280 by 720, and then the quality you put it on high quality, don't put it on low quality unless you want it like that, and then you come on to export. Then you can export it until it reaches 100%, and then we can come back to it and see how it has been done. Okay, our videos has been done now, so we're gonna hit done right here. Once it's done, and then we're just gonna get out of here so that we can see our video that has been done the way we want. So we're just not gonna save any changes. We go out of here, and then we come out of here, then we come open here, and then we're gonna see what we can't in our videos because we saved on our videos. Just to keep an easier way, just have to search it for me. I'm just gonna put there. What did I save on now? What did I say? What now? What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, number 6, right? Okay, or hashtag number 6. Very nice. Okay, that's it, guys.